The Center for Workforce Development partnered with the Aviation Technician Education Council a few years ago when they developed the Choose Aerospace program to work with high school students to gauge their interest in aviation careers.
Through our partnerships with stakeholders, employers of aviation technical personnel, with our post-secondary institutions, being our congressional partners, being able to really get into the community and help them facilitate these pathway programs in a high school environment.
Choose Aerospace is using the Center for Workforce Development's curriculum in aircraft maintenance, and over 800 students have used this curriculum to determine their interest in aviation careers.
It's all made for us on the computer. So the course is already there. The students are able to go in. I can assign pages. Then it'll be followed by an interactive activity, which goes along with what you're discussing. And it also, the course gives you the reference to the book for the FAA, that portion that you need to read to understand, so that when they go to pass their general exam, they know what they need to know.
The videos are phenomenal, as far as just breaking down the terminologies, breaking down what a tool is used for. Kids have been enjoying that.
Funding from the Federal Aviation Administration has allowed us to continue our partnership with Choose Aerospace and strengthen it to fill the pipeline of aircraft maintenance personnel.
If a high school program decides to adopt Choose Aerospace, they also have access through our partnership with ATEC to all those 204 A&P schools. We want to make sure that the A&P school is aware of those high school programs and aware of the students that will be coming out of those high school programs.
Choose Aerospace provides the general portion of the aviation maintenance. It aligns to the FAA standards. And so if students can be successful in the generals, then they typically finish. So if our students complete the Choose Aerospace curriculum, then what happens is they can go on to an A&P school and be successful in that program.
I am happy to report that a lot of the students that are coming out of the programs are either going directly into work with a local, most often repair station, where they're working on component maintenance most often, or they're matriculating into a post-secondary program where they can finish the training needed to get FAA certification and ultimately go in as a FAA certificated mechanic.
We are very happy to partner with Choose Aerospace. This meets the mission of the Center for Workforce Development, and it helps us to help the nation to fill the expected shortages in aircraft maintenance.